In this video tutorial, we're going to look at math, doing math with Python. So I'm going to go up to the Marin Maker page, and I'm going to scroll down until I find the Math Starter Code Part 1. When I open it up, I'm going to fork it so I have a copy of it in my account. So it's just created that copy to my account. The first section up here has some code, and the instructions are telling me that I should write comments to predict what will happen. I could certainly start doing that, or I could run it and see what happens first. So after I run it, I see a bunch of numbers, and I can look back over here and I can start to fill in what I'm noticing. So the first one, 8 plus 2, gives me 10. So this is addition. 3 minus 1 gives me 2, subtraction. 10 times 2 is 20. So this is multiplication. 10 divided by 3 is 3.33333, a decimal number. So it's division with decimal. And the one underneath is 10, also divided by 3, but it has a double backslash. And when I look at the value, it's giving me just 3. I don't have those decimal points. So this is a division with no decimal, also known as it's just giving me the floor value of the number. It's ignoring all these 3 and the 0.3s and giving me just the floor value of 3. The next number I have is 9. And when I look at what I'm printing here, 3 times 2, but it's really 3 double times 2, that is the power of 2, or exponents. So 3 to the power of 2, meaning 3 times 3 is 9. Then I have 2 variables, num1 and num2, 5 and 2. And then I'm printing 5 times 2. So that's multiplication. And it's saying 5 times 2 is 10. Then it wants me to write my own code. I need to create my own variables, 2 variables, and store numbers in them, and do some sort of calculation that gives me the number 42. So let's create 2 variables. Number 1 will be 40, and number 2 will be 2. And then I will do a simple addition of number 1 plus number 2, and that will give me 42. I could also save my result as number 1 plus number 2, and then just print my result. And you might want to do this because I might change, instead of adding them, I could subtract or multiply. I could change my number values up here as well. So it might be more helpful if you're making changes with your code, to use those variables. And when I run again, of course, I'm still getting 42.